Hello, my name is Romay Cupido. Today I go ahead with the next workshop video to give you all the tips, all the information, how to get started and keep going. Kindle is a free platform for you to create ebook after ebook to create a passive income. I give you the product done for you to develop, to scale, and keep building so that you grow as a business, starting with no business startup money, no one else writing anything for you, because as I said, the product is done for you, step by step, easy, simple. My name is Romay Cupido. Please subscribe. Ring the bell so that you can get all previous videos and that you can get upcoming videos for the workshop. And I will leave the link in the description to the Facebook group so that you can keep asking for information, so you can keep getting structure, how to build and go forward. So let's go. I will give you the platform Kindle, developed with Amazon.com. The links will be in the description, and then how to go step by step creating your Kindle account with the same sign up method that you use to sign in and create your Amazon account. As simple as that, you create your free platform. Now, for the 10 tips, how to build from the core with the product that give you the structure to create your passive income and build from there. The most important task is getting from one step to the next and follow the process. But the easiest part of creating your passive income is to get results. I use the same method to create product after product after product with ebooks that I keep scaling and not building thousands, but built in the millions. So your attitude to achieve as your second point is the core important, how to develop and stay level headed. Communication is your clarity, how to solve the problems inside the product, and creating a routine. So we need to learn how to work, because you want to work smarter and not harder. And you get to the scale where you automate your product all from your Kindle platform. Everything inside the product, how to start, how to build, and then get to the next level to scale. Stop multitasking. Do not do too much that you overwhelm yourself and you get confused. Take advantage of not to procrastinate. We tend to do that with ourselves. So we overanalyze things instead of taking a step back and take the time to create your work process with less time. Relieving stress, very important. I go for a walk when I feel I've done too much for the day, or the focus is not there to exercise. Go for a walk, listen to music, time out. Please, please don't overextend yourself. Prepare your work in advance so that you can exactly start your day and get much done. Do the work that you love. When you start creating products, you start doing things for yourself using your experience, your education, your business background, your passion, your story, and things become easier to write. Crack the Millionaire Code is the done for you product to start from the core and build from there. Every side thing is inside the product. I will leave all the links in the description. My name is Romay Cupido. My job is giving you inspiration to get smarter and you do not need to work harder. All the methods is inside the product. I see you on the other side. So subscribe, share, and follow the link inside the description to get started with your business. No business startup money, no extra hidden costs, but you building a business for yourself and take advantage of getting a head start. See you.